Dear students, today we see how can we collect hydrogen chloride gas in the lab. Hydrogen chloride gas is heavier than air and highly soluble in water. So we collect this gas by upward displacement of air. See, the gas jar is erect here. Air displaced upwards, hydrogen chloride gas collected downwards. So downward delivery, that is, the method of collection is upward displacement of air. Upward method of collection, upward displacement of air. Because, or give reason, hydrogen chloride gas is heavier than air and highly soluble in water. Okay, thank you.